In this video, I will show you how to update the BIOS on an ASUS motherboard using the Easy Flash 3 utility. This update can improve stability, fix compatibility issues, support new CPUs, and resolve bugs. Make sure you use stable power, do not turn off the system during the update, and back up important data before starting. What's up, guys? Welcome back to FixIt Tech, the channel where I help you fix Windows, PC, and tech issues with simple step-by-step guides. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, and let's jump right in. Now, before you update anything, first check your current BIOS version. Restart your PC, and as soon as it starts booting, press the delete key or F2 to enter the BIOS. Once you are inside, you will see the BIOS version on the main screen or inside advanced mode. Note down that version, and then go to the ASUS support website to compare it with the latest available version for your motherboard. This helps you confirm whether you actually need the update. Next, download the correct BIOS file. Open your browser and search for your exact motherboard model. Go to the official ASUS support page for that model, then click on Support, then Driver and Tools, and then BIOS and Firmware. Download the latest BIOS version listed there. Make sure the model name matches exactly, and confirm that you are not downloading the BIOS for a different revision of the board. Now prepare your USB drive because this step is very important. Insert the USB drive into your PC and back up any files from it, because formatting will erase everything. Right-click the USB drive, choose Format, and set the file system to FAT32, then click Start. After formatting is complete, extract the downloaded zip file. If the folder includes biosrenamer.exe, run it, and let it automatically rename the BIOS file. After that, copy only the renamed.cap file directly into the root of the USB drive, not inside any folder. When done, safely eject the USB. Now we will update the BIOS using Easy Flash 3. Insert the USB drive into the PC and restart the system. Press Delete or F2 again to enter the BIOS, then press F7 to go into advanced mode. Go to the Tool tab and select ASUS Easy Flash 3 utility. Choose your USB drive, then select the bios.cap file. Click Yes to confirm and confirm again when prompted. The system will restart automatically, show a progress bar, and may restart multiple times. During this process, do not turn off the PC, do not remove the USB drive, and do not press any keys. After the update is complete, the system will reboot. You may see a message asking you to press F1. Enter the BIOS again, and check the BIOS version to confirm that it has been updated. Keep in mind that BIOS settings reset to default after an update, so you will need to re-enable XMP or DOCP, set your boot priority again, and reconfigure any custom settings you were using before. If you see the error message saying selected file is not a proper BIOS, it usually means the wrong BIOS was downloaded, BIOS renamer was not used, the USB is not formatted to FAT32, or the file is inside a folder. To fix this, re-download the correct BIOS file, run BIOS renamer again, format the USB to FAT32 again, and place the .cap file directly in the root of the USB. If Easy Flash cannot detect your USB drive, it may not be formatted correctly, it could be incompatible, or it might be plugged into the wrong port. Reformat the USB to FAT32. Try a different USB drive if possible. Plug it into a rear motherboard USB port, and avoid using USB hubs. If the update starts but the system shuts down, check if you downloaded the correct BIOS file for your motherboard and make sure your power supply is stable. Reconfirm the motherboard model and try downloading the BIOS again. If Easy Flash freezes or gets stuck on the progress screen, wait patiently because it can take several minutes. If it remains frozen for a very long time, restart the system, enter the BIOS, load optimized defaults, and then try the update again. If your PC is not booting after the update, it may be because the BIOS settings were reset or the boot mode changed. Enter the BIOS, restore your boot priority, re-enable your previous settings, then save and exit. If you see a BitLocker recovery screen after the update, this happens because the BIOS update triggers a security change. Enter your BitLocker recovery key to continue. Before updating next time, suspend BitLocker encryption to avoid this issue. If your settings like XMP are disabled after the update, enter the BIOS, enable XMP or DOCP manually again, and save your changes. Always download the BIOS only from the official ASUS website. Never interrupt the BIOS update process. Do not update the BIOS unless it is necessary, and always confirm that you are using the correct motherboard model before starting. And there you have it. That's how you update the BIOS on your ASUS motherboard using Easy Flash 3, step by step and without confusion. If this guide helped you complete the update successfully, or if you ran into any issue along the way, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I'd love to hear your experience.